Hi students, today I am discuss about rational numbers. In before, you must learn about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. First of all, I go to natural numbers. Natural numbers. The definition of natural numbers is the counting numbers. The counting numbers is also called natural numbers. For example, if you want to count anything, you start 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are counting numbers. These also called as natural numbers. So another definition of natural numbers is the number set which is starting from 1 to infinite. Okay, then the number set is called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Therefore, n is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinite. Okay, these are natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers. The definition of whole numbers is the number set which is starting from 0 to infinite. Then the number set is called whole numbers. Or the 0 is added to natural number, then it is called whole numbers. Okay. So whole numbers are denoted by W. Therefore, W is equal to the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, these are set of whole numbers. The smallest whole number is 0. The smallest whole number is 0. The greatest whole number is undefined or infinite. Okay, here the smallest natural number 1. So smallest natural number is 1. The largest natural number is undefined. Okay, here you have to observe whole numbers. 0 is added to natural numbers, then it is called whole numbers. So n is subset of W. N is subset of W. Okay. So every number in a natural number is a number of whole number. So n is subset of W. Okay. Next, integers. The definition of integers is the combination of negative numbers and positive numbers including 0 is called integers. The integers are denoted by Z. Therefore, Z is equal to the set of minus infinite, minus 3 and so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite. Okay, this is integers. So these are positive numbers, these are negative numbers including 0 is called integers. So you have to observe integers, these are positive numbers, these are negative numbers including 0. Okay, so these positive numbers is also called positive integers. So that is denoted by Z plus. Okay, the positive integers is denoted by Z plus is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinite. Okay, so negative integers is also denoted by Z minus. Okay, Z minus is equal to the set of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on minus infinite. Okay. You have to observe clearly, these are positive numbers, these are negative integers. What about 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. You have to observe, these are whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite. These are whole numbers. Okay. The negative numbers is added to whole numbers, then have to get integers. Okay, so every number of whole numbers is a number of integers. So whole numbers is subset of w. Whole numbers are subset of z, integers. Whole numbers are subset of z. Okay, so this means every number of whole number is a number of integers. Okay, next time go to rational numbers. Okay, now I am go to rational numbers. The definition of natural numbers is the numbers which are in the form of p by q. The numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to z are integers. P comma q are integers and q not equal to 0. Okay, q not equal to 0. Why are q not equal to 0? Here q is denominator. So for example, 2 by 0, this is not possible. So division with 0 is not possible. So the answer is undefined. That's why here p by q not equal to 0. Denominator is not equal to 0. Okay, the definition of rational numbers is the numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0. For example, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a rational number? Yes. So 2 by 3 is in the form of p by q, where 2 comma 3 belongs to z, q not equal to 0. Here q is 3. 3 not equal to 0. So 2 by 3 is a rational number. Next, 5. 5 is a rational number? Yes. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. This is a fraction. This is in the form of p by q. So here p comma q belongs to z. Here 5 comma 1 belongs to z and q not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. Okay. Some more examples are there. The rational numbers. Okay, no? Okay, some more examples are 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 13 by 25, 5 by 3, 11 by 9, 17 by 6. These are examples of rational numbers. Now I am discuss how to convert the rational numbers in a decimals. Okay, these are rational numbers. These are converted into decimals. How to convert this one? Take first example, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 mean 2 is divided by 5. So 5 is divided by 2. 2 2's are 4. Remainder 1. There is no number. How to take point and take 0. 2 5's are 10. The division ends with 0. Okay, so that is equal 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. This is rational form, this is decimal form. 5 by 2 is converted into decimal, that is 2.5. Next example is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 is divided by 2. 1 is less than 2, that's why you have to take a decimal point. Take 0. So that is 2 5's are 10. That is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Okay. Next, 13 by 25. 13 by 25. 13 is divided by 25. This is also 13 is less than 25. So have to take point. Decimal point, take 0. Okay, 25 5's are 125. The remainder is 5. Take 0. 25 2's are 50. Okay, that is 13 by 25 is equal to 0.52. Next rational number is 5 by 3. 5 by 3 mean 5 is divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 2. Put the decimal point, take 0. 3 6 are 18. Again remainder 2. Take 0. 3 6 are 18. Again remainder is 2. This is continued division. Okay, this is called 5 by 3 is equal to 1.666. That is 1.6 bar. Okay, 1.666 can be written as 1.6 bar. Next example is 17 by 6. 17 by 6 mean 17 is divided by 6. Okay, 6 twos are 12. Remainder is 5. Put the point, decimal point, take 0. 6 eights 48. Remainder is 2. Take 0. 6 threes are 18. Again remainder is 2. Take 0. 6 threes are 18. This is also continue division. Okay, so it can be written as 17 by 6 is equal to 2.83333. Only 3 is the recurring. So it can be written as 2.83 bar. 2.83 bar. Okay, so 17 by 6 is equal to 2.83 bar. Okay, so in these examples you have to observe these are decimals. Okay, the decimals are also classified into two types. The decimals are two types. One is terminating decimals. Second one is non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. Okay, so what is the terminating decimals? So the terminating decimals are these numbers comes ends on after repeating decimals after decimal points. Okay, so for example observe this one 2.5. This is ends with 0, remainder is 0. So this is terminating decimal. This is also 0.5 and 0.52. These are terminating decimals. In the decimals ends with 0, remainder is 0. Here non-terminating decimals 1.6 bar and 2.83 bar. These are non-terminating decimals. The continued division. These decimals having continued division. Again non-terminating decimals also two types. One is non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating mixed recurring decimals. Okay, non-terminating decimals also two types. Non-terminating recurring decimals, non-terminating mixed recurring decimals. For example, this is 1.6 bar is a non-terminating recurring decimal. 2.83 bar after decimal point one number is 8, another next decimal is repeating recurring decimal, that is called mixed recurring decimal. Okay, so mainly decimals are two types: terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals also again two types: non-terminating recurring decimal, non-terminating mixed recurring decimals. Okay, so in this video how to learn the definition of up to rational numbers and how to convert the rational numbers into decimals. I will next video I will continue how to convert the decimals in a rational number. Okay, thank you.